So here we have the Whirlpool dryer, circa 2018 time frame, and it's squeaking. So you hear the squeaking, okay? That is indicative, typically that's indicative of a belt that needs to be replaced. So your dryer belt needs to be replaced. It's very similar to the squeak that you'll hear on some automobiles when the serpentine belt or any of the belts are slipping. Belt is worn out, tensioner pulley is malfunctioning. Typically that squeaking sound, if it goes away within the first 2 to 3 minutes, then it's clearly the belt. If you hear a squeaking sound like that never goes away and it's persistent the entire time the dryer is running, it means that one of your roller wheels, and there's typically 4 roller wheels, one of the bearings is shot, or the bearing is shot in your tensioner pulley wheel. So I'll put a link in the description to pick this up on Amazon. This is a Whirlpool repair kit here. So typically when you go to change the belt in your dryer, it's always a good idea to change the roller wheels. So you get 4 roller wheels in here, plus this wheel right here, which is for the tensioner pulley. That's your tensioner pulley wheel. You'll notice when I hit the play button, the motor kind of goes, it makes like a really loud kind of buzzing sound for about half a second, but then it's a little bit louder than normal. I mean, that's typically pretty indicative that the motor could be on the verge of failing within weeks or a couple of months, but you'll hear what that sounds like right now. And it's coming in right about 70 to 72 decibels. It should be between 60 and 65 decibels, right around there. So we're gonna put a new motor in. With your left hand, you push down with your thumb here, put your channel locks on this tab, pull the tab up with the channel locks, push down with this finger, and then it comes off, okay? So that's how it goes, like that. We're gonna set it right there. And then we got this one. We're gonna pop this guy off. And we're gonna set it right there. And then the motor should lift out pretty easily, you know, just like that. There's our motor, okay? Okay, I just dropped the new motor in. That's what it looks like when it's dropped in. Plug on this side, okay? And there's our shaft, and you can see I put some silver anti-seize on the threads. So I cleaned the threads really good, put some silver anti-seize so that we can thread this on. Now this goes counterclockwise to screw onto here. And again, you're gonna wanna use a 7/16 box or crescent wrench here on your shaft, right back here. There's a flat point on the shaft. You want to capture that flat point right there. And do not put a wrench on this, okay? Do not put a wrench on your pulley wheel. This is a cast kind of pot metal. It's very soft. It'll crack. It'll bend. Don't do it. Okay, I got the dryer fully assembled. We're going to turn it on, and we're going to hit play. It's very quiet and smooth. Very quiet. Very smooth.